Have you ever upgraded your car speakers only to realize the bass still feels weak and lifeless? You want deeper bass, but a big subwoofer box takes up too much space in your trunk. That's exactly the problem the Rockville SS10P active under-seat car subwoofer is designed to solve. In this review, you'll find out if this compact under-seat subwoofer actually delivers the punch your music has been missing, so stick around till the end. And if you enjoy honest car audio reviews like this, make sure you subscribe and comment with your thoughts. Also, check the link in the description to find the best deals on this subwoofer. When you install the Rockville SS10P under your seat, the first thing you notice is how incredibly convenient the design is. You don't need to sacrifice trunk space, yet you still get a noticeable upgrade in low-end performance. After spending time with it in your car, the bass feels tighter and fuller compared to factory audio systems. It's not the kind of bass that rattles your entire vehicle like a large competition subwoofer, but it absolutely fills in the missing low frequencies that most stock systems lack. Once you start playing your favorite tracks, you immediately hear the difference. Kick drums feel more defined, bass lines sound deeper, and the overall music experience becomes more immersive. What stands out is how controlled the bass is. Instead of muddy or overwhelming lows, you get balanced bass that blends naturally with your existing speakers. This makes your daily drive feel more like a mini sound system upgrade rather than just adding extra boom. What really makes the Rockville SS10P special is its simplicity. The built-in amplifier, compact design, and adjustable bass controls make it surprisingly easy to tune for your taste. If you've ever wanted better bass without complicated installations or huge subwoofer boxes, this setup feels like a smart solution. You'll appreciate this subwoofer the most if you drive a sedan, small SUV, or truck where space matters. It's ideal for anyone upgrading from a factory stereo who wants stronger bass without turning their car into a full competition audio build. The Rockville SS10P proves that you don't need a giant subwoofer to enjoy decent bass in your car. If you're thinking about upgrading your system with this powered under-seat subwoofer, check the link in the description to find the best deals right now. And before you go, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experience with this subwoofer.